What's up, everybody? It's Young here with Day 12 of the Fallout 4 Countdown Retrospective. In 2 days, we will be 2/3 of the way through the countdown, people, only 12 days to go. For today's Countdown Retrospective, I would like to take you back to February 18th, 2014, as if Fallout fans weren't depressed enough after the Survivor 2299 and the fake announcement invitation email, website Rock Paper Shotgun would post an article stating that we wouldn't hear about Fallout 4 for a while. During the DICE red carpet, the website had a chance to sit down and talk with Todd Howard, where he had a lot to say about recent developments, starting with the Survivor 2299, for which he had the following to say. The ARG was very well done. It's a testament to our fans, and they're doing that stuff and making mods. The stuff they do, we often look at and go, well, why don't we just do that? That's really great. Then, when the website inquired about when we can expect an announcement for Bethesda Game Studios' next major project, aka obviously Fallout 4, he didn't have good news to give. Here's what he had to say. We don't have a time frame for our next game announcement, but I think it's gonna be a while. We've gotten fairly used to all the questions and curiosity over the years. Everyone wants information. Right now, we're just trying to figure out which of our ideas are going to stick and finding an appropriate time to talk about it. Finally, the website inquired about Kotaku's leaked casting scripts, to which apparently Todd Howard clammed up. That was definitely a good sign, as refusal to comment on a leak usually means that there is some validity to it. But the biggest takeaway from all this is that at the time, Todd Howard and his team were not ready to unveil whatever they were working on next, aka obviously Fallout 4. He was right when he said that it would be a while, as we wouldn't get an official announcement until a little less than a year and a half after this article was published. With that, I would like to end Day 12 of the Fallout 4 Countdown Retrospective. Thank you for tuning in. Let us know in the comments below if you remember seeing this article and what your train of thought was at the time. And to be further updated on Fallout 4, stay tuned right here on Young Yeah. I'll see you guys next time. Young out.